Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And today we're going to talk about how to stop your yard from flooding. This video will explore everything that you'll need and provide methods that will stop your yard from flooding. So make sure you stick around for that. Installing a French drain. A French drain simply consists of a trench filled with gravel and a perforated pipe that's placed at the bottom of the drain. It helps prevent your yard from flooding by redirecting excess rainwater away from your yard. Installing a dry well. A dry well is an underground, large storage container that collects water and slowly releases excess water. You should position your dry well in the lowest part of your yard in order to allow more water to collect. This prevents your yard from flooding since excess water is collected at one point and not left to flood the entire yard. Plant more trees in your yard. You should plant more trees in your yard to prevent flooding. Trees absorb a lot of water in their roots, thus reducing the amount of water in your yard after a heavy downpour. Also, the roots create channels in the soil, which allow water to penetrate deeper into the ground. Creating a rain garden. A rain garden usually absorbs excess water that runs from your gutters and downspouts, preventing it from flooding your yard. When creating a rain garden, you should choose local plants that absorb water. Also, fill it with a few inches of mulch, as it helps keep the soil in place and also holds rainwater. Removing water from sidewalks. If your sidewalks are in a lower position compared to your surroundings when it rains, the water is going to pool up, and when it's in excess, it will flood the whole area. To prevent this, you should place storm drain channels along the sidewalks, and don't forget to place them on the lowest slope. After that, connect the storm drain channels to the French drain. And rainwater is simply going to pass through the storm drain channels into the French drain, which directs it away from your yard. So there you have it. Stopping your yard from flooding should be that easy. If you have any comments or questions, make sure you drop them in the comments and leave a like on this video. Till next time.